Okay, everyone, this is Clint with, Clint Carter. I'm the dumb old dad and I'm doing some day trading. So I thought I would bring you along today for some day trading. So today I am going to go over what I'm looking for, and my coach has had me put together a trading plan. So here is my trading plan right here. So currency pair I'm using is USD. I have a 15-minute chart, and if I want to buy, the thick and thin orange needs to be pointing up. If I want to sell, the thick and thin orange need to be pointing down. On my 5-minute chart, if I'm going to buy, I need thick and thin orange pointing up, the majors below 2, green on top, majors and minors starting to point down into the channel, take profit and take profit. But right now, because of the setup, I'm going to be looking for a sell trade. So to have a sell trade, I need the majors and minors pointing down. So I need these guys to start pointing down, and they are not yet. They are pointing up. The thick and thin orange pointing down. Right now, the thick and thin orange are pointing up, so I do not want to sell. The red on top, and red is on top right here, so that is a good indication for me. And majors and minors pointing down into the channel, and they are not pointing down into the channel yet. Oh, well, there was one other thing here. There we go. Majors and minors above 8. So if you look here, the majors and minors are at 7.5. So for me, that is good enough. At 7.5, I need these guys to start turning around and heading down. I need this to start heading down into the channel. And red is already on top, so I am good there. On my 15-minute chart, you can see my yellow or orange lines are turning. So they are kind of headed in a downward direction. I do have blue on top, but if you can see, I'm above an 8 here. So there is room for it to drop down into the channel on the 15-minute chart. So I'm just going to sit here with you a little bit and watch. If you can see over on this 1-minute chart here, I have put some lines here where there's pressure, and lines down here where I've seen it hit and bounce up. So I think it's going to hit this top pressure, or it's already kind of hit it, and it's going to start dropping down. So that's what our hope is. Here is yellow is now pointing down, or the orange. Oh, it's headed back up again. The red is on top, so that is a good sign for me. However, the green is starting to close in on this position. So I'm not quite sure if I'm ready to make a sell trade. The other thing is my ATR. Let's see, take profit at 5-minute ATR. So let's go back here to the 5-minute. The ATR is 13. So let's change my take profit to 13. And then let's see what it says about stop loss above the 5-minute ATR. I'm just going to go ahead and leave my stop loss at 60. I think I'm okay there. So here is the movement I was hoping for. Yellow lines are headed down. Yellow lines, I call them yellow. I don't know if they're orange. Orange or yellow are headed down. We were above 8, so we're now dropping into this channel between the blue and the red. The red is still on top, so that is a sell signal to me. So we've got to wait 3 minutes and see what this 5-minute chart is going to tell me. To me, it looks like we've just gone up quite a bit, and it started to go down a little, and then up and down a little bit. So let's do some consolidation here. I am hoping that this will provide us a chance to see this thing drop. So it is starting to drop here. I wonder if I should take a sell right now. It has entered the channel. Both of these are headed down, but I need to be careful that I don't get in too early. I think I put one other thing in here. Not the first move. I usually put in here, don't get in at the first move. And so this is the first move. See how these below, that was another thing I need to put in here. Putting it up, so I need to put in something about the a red line or a red candle closing below this red and green pressure is also an indicator. I wonder if I can type that in here real quick as things are starting to turn. So I'm going to type that in while we're just sitting here waiting. 1 minute chart. Red line, red candle drops below both red and green pressure lines. There we go. I've just modified my strategy. Oh, there it goes. It has now just dropped. I'm going to take a sell right here. No, I should have taken it a little earlier. Well, let's see if it's all of my indicators. These are headed down. This is headed down to the channel. My red is on top and headed down. Even on my 15-minute chart, well, this is the only one that's telling me the opposite. So let's see if it will, boy, it bounced right back up. I'm at a negative 28 now, so I am hoping it continues in its downward motion. That is what we're hoping for, is that these lines will continue to drop, and I will be able to take my profit at 15 points, pips. Yeah, I don't know the pips and points yet. Oh, there it goes. I just dropped below my sell marker. I'm now making money. $4 in the green, in the black. I don't know which, black or green. Well, look at these. These indicators are telling me it's going down to the channel. These are also telling me we're going down. Oh, it didn't close. It didn't close before my entry point, so yeah, it would be nice if it closed below the entry point. But I think this will give me another downward motion after these seconds off. There we go. There's some good indication that it will probably go lower. My 5-minute chart, yellow, orange lines are going down. This is into the channel now. This red is on top, saying there is more pressure to sell than to buy right now. So I'm just hoping that it will continue on its way down and not bounce back up. So let's look and see where my sell. So there's where my mark is for my stop loss. It's way up there. I could probably move that stop loss down quite a bit. Let's move it down to around here. There we go. So if it does go up, it's not going to go up crazy. I'm not going to lose crazy amount. Let's see if it will continue to drop or whether it's going to bounce back up. So if you can see, it did kind of form a line right here, which I don't like. There's a pressure line that it bounced off of, but I think I can still get down to that pressure line and make money. So let's see if it'll do that. My 5-minute chart is telling me the yellow lines are pointing down. That's good. These majors and minors are still pointing down. Red is still on top, so I think I am still good into this trade. Just making sure my recording is still happening. I did a trade earlier today and didn't even record it. So let's see if this one's gonna give me a profit. My ATR is now 20. Let's see what mine's with 13. So I've got a 13 take profit. Let's see if it's gonna continue on its way. Past performance does not indicate future results. I've heard that a million times. Ooh, look at that. There we go. I was in the positive right there. I'm at 0. +4. That's good. I like +4. Let's just go to +15. That's what I'm looking for. You can see my ATR's just changed 21. So maybe I'll go up to 15. There we go. We're now at 15 on our take profit. It is below this line, so maybe that's not a good idea. I'm new, so I'm not an expert at this yet, so I'm still learning quite a bit. But I'm using my rules. So Troy is my coach, and so Troy, I am using my rules, and I'm following them. So hopefully this brings me a win. Here we go, 36. I hope it drops down below this. Maybe I should get out. It's $40. Oh no. I always hesitate there, you know. You're in the profit and you're making money, and 52, come on, drop below that line. Come on, give me just a couple more. I think I'm going to close it out at 52. 52, going once. 52, going twice. 52. Oh, there it goes. Hey, I just won. Ha ha. There we go. Just won that trade. $60. So I had a $60 trade. How long have we been on? 11 minutes, almost 12 minutes. $60 in 12 minutes. Not bad. So there is the trade. That's how I do it. I stuck to my plan and came up with a win. So, woo! I love it. Love it when I win. I know sometimes I lose, and if you'll watch some of my other videos, you'll see I lose sometimes, but this is a weird one today, so awesome. If you would like to learn how to day trade and follow these types of rules and get a coach, I'll leave a link in the description to the company that I'm using. It's called Day Trading University or something. Anyway, you click on the link, it will get you into it'll get you a coach, and you'll have all of these resources available to you, and you can try it out for yourself and see if it's something that you're interested in. So I have been loving it, and I'm trading every day. I'm a day trader. It's not real money yet, but when we get into the real money, I will also be doing videos. You can see my wins and my losses. So thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe so you can see more of these day trading videos, and we'll see you next time on Dumb Old Dad Day Trading.